Hello viewer, welcome to your dream physique. In this video, we will discuss some health benefits of lassi. Lassi, which is also known as buttermilk in English, is a dairy product that consists of water, milk protein casein and milk sugar lactose. There are many health benefits of lassi and it is mostly consumed by the people of North India, especially Punjab and Haryana. In fact, people from various countries enjoy having buttermilk, as many brands started making packed lassi, which can be stored for a longer period of time. However, there are varieties of lassi found in lassi shops which are more delicious as they add many ingredients to make it tasty. Health benefits of lassi. Lassi helps in digestion. The lactose present in buttermilk is broken down by the bacteria, so people with lactose intolerance can easily digest it. Moreover, there are many people who are not able to digest their food, and lassi plays a very important role in breaking the food down. Additionally, having a glass of lassi after breakfast or as a brunch will help our body to digest the food easily. Lassi lowers cholesterol levels. After all, researchers have found that buttermilk reduces the level of bad cholesterol LDL, low-density lipoprotein. In general, there was a small 8-week study in 34 adults consuming buttermilk powder mixed with water, and the results were very surprising. The cholesterol levels decreased in their body from 3% to 10%. Lassi is best for acidity. Curing acidity is another health benefits of buttermilk, and it is a major problem for people whose digestion system is not good. Unfortunately, their body is not capable of breaking down food, and this causes heartburn. Having a glass of salted buttermilk will prevent heartburn, and this can be consumed after a meal. It breaks down the food and thus prevents acidity. Reduces body heat. During the hot summers, our body gets heated and lassi helps our body to cool down. In fact, most of the farmers who work for a long period of time in fields keep a bottle of lassi with them as it helps them to beat the summer heat. Moreover, it helps our body to stay hydrated for a longer period of time. Better immune system. Lassi is consumed before or after a meal because people believe that it improves our digestion and boosts immunity. After coronavirus, we all know that boosting immunity is so important to keep our body healthy and free from any kind of disease. Similarly, a glass of lassi with a pinch of salt can help you boost your immunity. Lassi prevents bloating. It helps to prevent many stomach problems such as constipation. Whereas after a heavy meal, our stomach gets full and it takes time for our stomach to digest the food. Finally, at that time our stomach gets bloated and some people face loose motion. Having a glass of lassi before or after a meal will help us to prevent bloating. Lowers blood pressure. People suffering from low blood pressure can add dairy products like milk, lassi, curd etc. Apart from this, the calcium present in it helps our body to lower blood pressure levels. In addition, researchers have found that the blood pressure of people consuming lassi has decreased from 2.6 mm Hg to 1.7 mm Hg. Good source of probiotics. It is loaded with probiotics that help in the growth of good bacteria and prevent the growth of bad bacteria in your gut. Some of the examples of bad bacteria are Campylobacter, Norovirus, Clostridium perfringens, Listeria etc. Bad bacteria can result in many harmful diseases like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancer, obesity etc. May help in weight loss. As we know that it is low in calorie and helps to digest our food in an easy way, it may help in weight loss. While doing weight loss, people generally think that packed juices are healthy and start consuming them. But those packed juices are filled with sugar and preservatives. Lassi can easily beat packed juices in terms of taste and benefits. Improves bones health. As it is a dairy product and high in calcium, lassi helps to improve our bones health. On the other hand, the protein present in it helps to build muscle mass and improves bone mineral density. Having strong bones is equally important as having a healthy body free from any kind of disease. Subsequently, people above the age of 40 should definitely add a glass of lassi to their diet. Good for skin. Buttermilk is also good for our skin because of the lactic acid present in it. It acts as a great exfoliant. Moreover, people use it as a face mask which helps their face to glow. Conclusion. Buttermilk is mostly consumed by the people of North India. The lactose present in lassi is broken down by the bacteria. Buttermilk reduces the level of bad cholesterol. It is low in calorie and helps in weight loss. I hope you found this video informative. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And most important, don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.